there you go. You probably remember this on YouTube. I picked it up. Actually, the seller, I had him deliver it for me. It's a track carbon fiber. It's an older model. The seller delivered this bike for me to my doorstep for just $100, and I'm flipping it today for $500, guys. 500. I could have flipped it for 700, 750 bucks if I was willing to be patient enough and wait a week or two. But I wasn't. I wanted to sell it in warp speed, so I flipped it for 500. I'm in route right now to go meet the buyer that's coming to pick it up. So again, I bought this bike. I give the seller a copy and paste offer that I have in my book. The link is below. And the seller said no. I then give him the second copy and paste proven offer, and then a few days later he said he's down for it, and I told him to deliver it for me, and he delivered for me for just $100. Okay, because this is motivated. So I bought it for $100. He gave me a bunch of parts and tools, and I'm selling for $500 right now. If you're interested in learning how to flip and 2x to 7x potentially your money, then consider joining the New Flip. The New Flip is a revolutionary game which allows you to create cash flow today without getting into debt, without taking massive amount of risk, and without learning forever, right? Without earning. The New Flip allows you to make money today, and there's a link below. And on top of that, okay, and here's the cool thing: when you buy my book, I'll give you coaching. I'll look over your shoulder and I'll answer every and all your questions, because I want you to win, guys. Okay, beautiful track. I didn't do anything to this bike. I didn't fix it. I didn't repair it. All I did is take pictures of it, washed it, go into my book, fully detailed how to do it. I have copy and paste ads to sell them in warp speed, and now I'm gonna flip it for $500. So that's 5x my money, guys, in just a matter of days. Peace.